Good day, learners. Today we are going to study and find the solutions for IGCSE past papers, May-June 2020, paper 43. So this one is number 6, letter A. We have a triangle here, triangle A, B, C. And we have a point inside our triangle, which is point G. Angle A is 42 degrees. Angle ACG is 54 degrees. Angle BCG is X. That is the one that we are going to solve. The distance or the length of GC is 5.3 centimeters. The length of GB is 6.9 centimeters. And the length of BC is 11 centimeters. And we are required also to find side AC. So, we have an angle here. We need to find the X to find that one and solve for angle B because we need angle B. In this triangle class, we can solve for X because we have 3 sides given. If we have 3 sides given in any triangle, we can use our law of cosines. So by law of cosines, we can solve for that angle X there. So let's have the law of cosine. So A, we are going to use the law of cosines. So let's have the law of cosines. This one is the angle, that is the unknown. Opposite of that one is the 6.9. So we have 6.9 raised to the second power. So we have 11 squared that one plus this 5.3 squared also. And then minus, and you have the 2 here, times this side here, which is 11, times the other side, which is 5.3. And then cosine of the sandwich angle, which is X. Cosine of X. So this is our equation to solve for X, the law of cosines. So let us square this one. So 6.9 times 6.9 is 47.61. 11 times 11 is 121 here, plus 5.3 times 5.3 is 28.09 minus, then we multiply 2 times 11 times 5.3, so that is 116.6, and we have the cosine there of X. Okay, let us transpose this negative 116.6 cosine X to the left and transpose 47.61 to the right, and then we add this 121 and 28. So this one on the left will be 116.6. It's positive now. Cosine X is equal to, when we add this two, this one, 121 plus 28.09 is 149.09 here, and then minus this 47.61, and then we have 116.6 cosine of X is equal to, we subtract 149.09 minus 47.61, that is 101.48, and then we divide this by 116.6, divide also the other side by 116.6, So our x is equal to arc cosine, cosine negative 1. And then we have point, if we divide this one, we have 0.87, and then 0, 3, 2, and then 5, 9. And then inverse or shift cosine, and then you press this one, and the value of x, which is the angle x, is equal to 29.5 degrees. That is now the value of x. Okay, now let's have the triangle ABC. So in our triangle ABC, let's draw here. This one is C, this one is A, this one is B. This one is still 42 degrees, and this one we are going to add the 54 and the x. So the angle C here, that angle C is equal to the 54 degrees plus the solved x, which is 29.5. 29.5 degrees. So our angle C is 83.5 degrees. It's 83.5 degrees. Okay. Now we have to find angle B. So angle B, we know it's 180 degrees. So angle B here is equal to 180 degrees minus this 42 plus the 83.5 degrees. And if we are going to solve that, angle B will be equal to 54.5 degrees. So this is now 54.5 degrees. Okay, we are going to find AC now. Now, what is this side BC? Side BC is 11. Still 11 centimeters. Okay, so we can use the law of sines now. So for the law of sines, let us find, this one is B, is law of sines. So we have AC, first the side, over the opposite angle of AC is sine of 54.5 degrees is equal to the given side. Side 11 over the sine of 42. So we have sine of 42 degrees. So we just cross multiply this to 11 and leave sine 42 degrees here. So AC is equal to, we have 11 times the sine 54.5 degrees over sine of 42 degrees. Okay, let's have AC is equal to, we have sine 54.5 times 11 is 8.95527, and then sine 42 is 0.66931. And finally, after dividing this one, 13.4 centimeters.